Guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today I decided to stay at home because summer is so hot outside right now and my husband went to work, so I decided to bake a cheesy chiffon cake. So I prepared my stuff in here, the ingredients. So let's get it on. Guys, I hope you like our video and I hope you will try this recipe at your home. For the ingredients of this recipe, please check the description down below. Oops, I forgot to tell you something. Please do subscribe to our channel and then hit the bell button for a notification. Bye-bye!